Hello to everyone. I am Bruna Benedetto, the teacher of this Comenius project. They are my colleagues, Lucia Guido and Katia Agnoni, who are English teachers involved in this project.
They are some of our students. They are 10 years old and they are attending the last year of primary school. Their names are
Gabriela, Francesca,
Alessandro,
Rosita.
They are going to read some Italian Christmas traditions.
Italian Christmas tradition and customs. Preparing for Christmas Eve. In Italy, Christmas is the main festivity of the year, and there is a atmosphere at Christmas time. On Christmas Eve, families gather for dinner. Grandparents, aunts, uncles and cousins meet for the big Christmas dinner, and everyone gives and receives presents. Dinner traditionally consists of seafood, followed by typical Italian Christmas sweets, such as pandoro, panettone, torrone, cartellate, or others, depending on the regional cuisine. It is quite common for religious families to attend the midnight mass on the evening of the 24th of December. Tradition regarding the exchange of gifts vary from region to region, as these might take place either on Christmas Eve or on Christmas Day. Presents are left for the children under the Christmas tree by Santa Claus called Babbo Natale.
Christmas tree and other decorations. Christmas decorations and trees are very popular in Italy. In Italian towns and cities, trees are decorated with Christmas lights. Old houses are decorated with colored paper trees and of course Christmas trees. A Christmas tree is a decorated evergreen coniferous tree, real or artificial. It is often placed in the home, but also outside, and can be decorated with Christmas lights, ornaments, garlands and tinsel. An angel or a star is often placed at the top of the tree, representing the angels or the star of Bethlehem from the Nativity. Lights and decorations can be seen by December 8th, the day of the Immaculate Conception, or even at the end of November. The main focus of decorations is no doubt the crib, which representing the nativity scene. Almost every church and some houses have cribs and they are often found outdoors in square or other public areas too, and people go around town and view them.
Traditional lunch. In Italy, it is very common to celebrate Christmas on the 25th with a family lunch, consisting of the different types of meat dishes, cheese and local sweets. There is not a typical Christmas meal in Italy. Instead, each Italian region tends to have its own traditional festive dishes. However, there are similarities. The meal tends to be larger and consists of many delicious dishes. Champagne, pasta, meat and panettone come at meals. Lunch on Christmas Day goes on 4 hours. You can usually taste farlet pasta such as agnolotti, ravioli or tortellini. Most families will follow this with roast served with vegetables. At the end of the meal, the dessert is a must. Most people make an exception and follow the meat course with some panettone or pandoro, a light but buttery sponge cakes.
Traditional song. At Christmas time, children learn and sing Christmas carols at school to prepare for a Christmas concert.
which usually takes place on the last school day before Christmas holiday. Some traditional Italian Christmas songs include Tu scendi dalle stelle, which means you came down from the stars, Dido Dan, the Italian version of Jingle Bells, Astro del Ciel, the Italian version of Silent Night, Bianco Natale, the Italian version of Great Christmas, and many more.
We wish you a Merry